Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for new mothers: breastfeeding. Whether you're a first-time mom or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will cover common challenges, techniques for proper latching, and the benefits of breastfeeding for both mother and baby. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about some common challenges you might face while breastfeeding. Many new moms experience 1. Painful nipples. This can occur in the early days due to incorrect latching or sensitivity. Remember, if it hurts, it's worth checking your technique. 2. Low milk supply. It's not uncommon to worry about whether you're producing enough milk. Frequent feeding helps establish a good supply, and if you have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant. 3. Engorgement. Sometimes, your breasts may become overly full, which can be uncomfortable. Regular feeding or pumping can help relieve this pressure. 4. Latch issues. A poor latch can lead to discomfort for both you and your baby. We'll cover how to achieve a proper latch shortly. Now, let's focus on the proper latching techniques. A good latch is essential for successful breastfeeding. Here are some steps to ensure a good latch. 1. Positioning. Hold your baby close, ensuring their belly is against yours. You can use a breastfeeding pillow for added comfort. 2. Nose to nipple. Bring your baby to your breast with their nose at the level of your nipple. This encourages them to tilt their head back slightly, opening their mouth wide. 3. Wide open mouth. When your baby opens their mouth wide, quickly bring them to your breast. You want them to take a large portion of the areola into their mouth, not just the nipple. 4. Check the latch. Once latched, their lips should be flanged out like a fish, and you shouldn't feel any pain. If you do, gently break the latch by inserting your finger in the corner of their mouth and try again. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of breastfeeding for both mother and baby. For baby, breastfeeding provides optimal nutrition, boosting their immune system and reducing the risk of infections, allergies, and chronic diseases. Plus, it promotes healthy growth and development. For mom, breastfeeding helps with postpartum recovery, burning extra calories, and reducing the risk of certain cancers. It also promotes bonding with your baby, creating a nurturing and loving experience. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips for breastfeeding success. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your milk supply up. 2. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to lactation consultants, support groups, or experienced moms for advice. 3. Be patient. Remember, it's a learning process for both you and your baby. Be kind to yourself and give it time. 4. Listen to your body. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to take breaks or explore other feeding options. Thank you for joining me today for Breastfeeding 101, Tips for Success. I hope you found this information helpful and encouraging. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips, and share this video with other expecting or new moms. Happy breastfeeding!